This is a Masterlock Pro Series 6840. That's the bidding for it. Try to get into it. I'm going to use a Peterson's pry bar 40,000. It's top of the keyway. And this multi-pick 0.4 millimeter kind of standard, kind of almost half medium deep thing from the Lock Noob set, I think is which one this one comes from. I don't have the Lock Noob set. Stu sent it to me. So two. That's okay. I'm off the pins. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Okay, I dropped 3. 1, 2. Alright. And then 1. And it's open. So that's the Masterlock Pro Series. I don't know what it is about this little keyway, but it gives me trouble with anything a little wider than 15 thousandths. So with these ones, I just break out the thin pick, because if I use the 20, it just seems to rub.